JavaScript constants are values that are fixed. For example, in this script, we're adding two values, 5 and 6, together and outputting the result in a paragraph with the ID math. The values that we're adding are fixed values, 5 and 6. The value of these numbers is not dependent on any other factor. The 5 will always be 5, and the 6 will always be 6, unless we change them in the script. Let's preview this file to see the result in our web browser. Here we can see the outputted result 11. Constants can be in the form of numbers, both whole and integer, or strings. Strings are written within double or single quotes. We'll go ahead and change one of these values to a string. Now when we save the file and reload our web browser, we can now see that my text is joined with the value 6.